Well, it's not too early to start thinking about our summer picnics and our barbecues, and it's time to actually get out our wasp or yellowjacket and hornet traps. Now's the time of the year where the queens are coming out, and we want to set our traps out now to catch them before they nest somewhere else.
So you could take a trip out to your independent garden center and get that whole kit of a trap and the attractants. Or if you have a trap from last year, you just need new attractant. So there is attractant just for wasp, hornet, and yellowjackets, or specifically for yellowjackets. And make sure that you do replenish it every few weeks to make sure that you're getting them all trapped.
So start now for a pest-free summer.